Hi everyone, my name is Grace Soa and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and Intuitive Counselor. I will be channeling some Reiki energy to help you this week on motivation with the help of the fairies, which are nature's angels. So what is motivation? It is one's desire to act in service of a goal or objective. It actually drives our behavior to be better at who we are and what we want to experience or achieve. So when you aren't motivated, it can lead to mental illnesses, lethargy, disease, and even death. Okay, so to access motivation, we need to be inspired first. Inspiration is the driving force or energy behind motivation. It is the reason that makes us get up every morning. It is the reason that motivates us to express and live as free human beings. Okay, so without inspiration, motivation has no purpose. And without a goal, motivation is pointless. So start with inspiration. So what is it that inspires you to create a life of happiness? What lights up your eyes and brings joy to your soul? Is it as simple as taking a walk through the forest, or watching a sunrise or sunset, or rescuing an animal, or raising your children if you have children? And notice that inspiration always comes from within, or from nature, or connection to another human being. It doesn't come from technology. Have you ever noticed that the more time you spend with technology, whether it's in front of a computer or on your cell phone, the more depleted you feel? Whereas the more you spend time with yourself or with people or nature, the more energized you feel. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? So, alright, so once you connect to your inspiration for creating, for example, a peaceful environment, the next thing you can do is, number one, contemplate what this means for you. For example, does a peaceful environment mean creating a meditation room for yourself, or decluttering your space, or spending time doing some form of art or music? And then once you gain some clarity on your objective, then number two, you can set some goals to meet that objective. So contemplate what goals or steps you need to take to achieve that objective of creating a peaceful environment. And then number three is to take action. You can start with baby steps. This will inspire you and motivate you to take the next step until you achieve your goals. Okay? So try this out and let me know what you think. Sometimes we do get stuck between being inspired, being motivated, and taking action. And those reasons of why you get stuck most often have to do with the past, or trauma, or circumstances beyond your control. But don't let that deter you from creating what you want in your life. Okay? So because the fairies, nature's angels, are here to help you get started and to help you remove those blocks that stop you from achieving your goals. Okay? So if you're ready to receive this Angelic Reiki transmission with the help of nature's angels to help you stay inspired and motivated so that you can manifest the life you do want to live, I would like you to close your eyes. Take a nice deep relaxing breath, inhale and exhale, and allow your thoughts to fall away as you listen to this piece of music. Alright, slowly bring your consciousness back in the room and take a nice deep relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale. You can stay in this quiet place for as long as you want, and if you feel inspired, I would encourage you to share this video out with those whom you feel will benefit from this Angelic Reiki healing transmission. And if you're not a subscriber yet, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of my videos as they are released. Okay, I wish you guys a wonderful week filled with angelic blessings. I'll see you guys next week.